Hey, it's Nax, and I was at PAX West, and this year, MSI was the major PC player that had a booth. They showed a lot of exciting new stuff, including an awesome limited edition notebook, a special edition desktop, their new handheld, a motherboard refresh on some of their models, and we'll also hear from some of their team. For more in-depth versions of all my PC and tech content such as this video, please be sure to visit my dedicated tech channel, Snacks and Tech. So we just got settled in. Look who else is here. Hello, say hi to the camera. You see the convention center. So that's just the tip of the convention center right over there. What do you think about that, Billy? Good morning. Good morning. Hey guys, what's up? We're here right now at the MSI booth for PAX West 2025. Let's check out what they have. So the Prestige Ukiyo-e version really stuck out to me that I asked them if they could take it out because the colors look really amazing close up. Come here. So if you look closely, you can definitely tell the different layers of the engraving and the colors. They look so good. This is the first of a few in their Artisan series. It will be bundled with a mouse pad, a badge holder, and a sleeve for your laptop, and there's only going to be 2,000 units worldwide, but the US will have 700 units. Who do you think is the most serious?
Kelvin. Kelvin for sure. Yeah.
Kelvin's the most serious?
He's the most serious.
Kelvin. Kelvin's a very serious guy.
You just look at his face during the day and you're like, man, this guy looks serious all the time.
That's it. That's the reason.
Also, he's so grumpy.
He's so grumpy.
Yeah, don't tell him. And he was always like a poker face.
Poker face.
Yeah, he was like poker face.
He's like work mode for everyone.
Yeah.
Here we have the special edition, the MLG edition, which is coming out soon.
It's got a full array, GPU, motherboard, liquid cooler, PSU. It's beautiful and It looks super nice, and it's a different color than the usual, either black or white builds. We have it in red this time, so it's a little bit different.
What's the product that you're most excited that's going to be coming out soon?
I would say the Max boards, the new Max boards that we have showcased here.
We have here their exhibits of motherboards, and if you're an overclocker, I have good news for you because they have these Max versions of their motherboards, which will be coming out soon. So the new Max versions of the motherboards will have a couple of new features, one of them being the 64 megabyte BIOS ROM, which is a larger BIOS ROM capacity that allows the motherboard to support next level CPU upgrades with better compatibility. They also have this pin-safe design for the back of the motherboard where they solder off these pointy parts. I'm also pretty happy that the Tomahawk is getting a Max version because this one's a personal favorite of mine because you get the best bang for your buck. So I have here in my hand AI Polar Tempest Edition. This is literally a PC shaped like a handheld. It's got an 8-inch 120Hz touchscreen with variable refresh rate support. It's running Windows 11. It's got an M.2 slot for whatever memory capacity you like. It even has 2 Thunderbolt 4 connections. Playing games was super smooth, no lag, no stutter the entire time I played. Everything felt top notch. Where the fuck is Jackie? Who is the jolliest then in the team? The one who would light up a room even on the most stressful of days?
Eva, our social media team member.
That would probably be Eva.
Definitely Aminta or Eva.
Either Aminta or Eva.
They're just so happy-go-lucky, and they bring a vibe to the office where like it's not doom and gloom. Not you don't feel corporate. It's just they're so happy.
Moving on to the pre-build that they have here on display for PAX West, we have here the Vision Elite, and I love, first and foremost, that it's in a Maestro case because I personally built on this case and it's a beautiful case. Now this one right here, I believe you can get a very good deal right now, and that's 30% off. It's the Codex R2. This one has the Intel Core Ultra 7 265 and you can pair it with up to a 5070 GPU. So who is the hardest worker in MSI?
On site, I would say Ann. Ann's a really hard worker. Yeah.
I would say probably Ann.
Oh, I'm gonna give that to Ann.
4 people tell me that you are the hardest worker in the team. And with that, I visited Ann's notebook section of the booth where I spent time with literally every single notebook they had. Naturally, I spent the most time on the top-of-the-line Titan with its customizable color trackpad, mechanical keyboard, Intel Core Ultra 9, and 5090. Before we wrap up this one, I had one important question for the PAX West team. Who would you say, is the best dancer in the team?
I would say Cliff.
Cliff! But
I've seen Cliff move a little bit back in the day.
Cliff. I'll give it to Cliff.
almost everyone said that you are the best dancer in the team. So no sample for us today?
Oh man, you are really twisting my fingers. Never at work. Very inappropriate.
And on that note, that wraps up the PAX West 2025 MSI Booth Tour. Thanks so much for sticking around. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.